Hello champ, welcome to Dr. Sourav Sir Classes. Today I am solving Kangaroo Mathematics 2023 paper. If you need to take classes from our side or need to take doubt clearing session, previous year question, mock test, study material, you need to call or WhatsApp on this number. Okay, so let's start with question number 5. What will we say? Question number 5. Emma should color in the three strips of the flag shown. Where is the flag? This is the flag, and she has four colors available. She can only use one color for each strip, and immediately adjacent strip are not to be of the same color. Means adjacent strips are not same color. Okay, so how many different ways are there for her to color in the flag? So how to solve this question? So Emma needs to color these three strips of the flag using available four colors such that adjacent strips are not of the same color. So let's denote the color. What will be the color? C1, C2 and C3 and C4. Okay, what are the color? The colors are C1, C2, C3 and C4. Okay, so to determine the number of ways to color the flag under this constraint, we can analyze each strip step by step. In first step, for the first strip, Emma can choose any of the four colors. So the choices for first strip, let's denote individual color. This color red, violet, and this color will be, what will be the green. Okay, so for first strip, Emma can choose any of the four color. So choices for first strip, Emma can choose any four color. Okay, the second strip, there must be a different color from the first strip. So thus Emma has three remaining choice for second strip. Choice for second strip, that is 3, and the third step must be different color from second strip. So Emma has remaining choices of the third strip for 3, same like as B second strip. So the total number of ways to color the flag can be calculated by the multiplying of the number of choices in each strip. First strip into second strip into third strip. So what will be the result? 4 into 3 into 3. So total 36 ways. Okay, so here which answer is correct? Here the correct answer is option D. Okay, if you like this video, please share this video to your friends and your family, and to get notification of all our video, please subscribe on our channel and click the bell icon. We'll meet you next session soon. Thank you.